Hi there, Smart Drivers. Rick with Smart Drive Test. Quick video on the basics of right-of-way and basic rules of the road. So stick around. We'll be right back with that information. Hi there, Smart Drivers. Welcome back. Basic rules of the road. Straight through traffic has the right-of-way over turning traffic. And for those of us that drive on the right side of the road, right turning vehicles have the right of way over left turning vehicles. If both vehicles are turning left, they can both turn at the same time. Now, if you're driving on the left side of the road, left turning vehicles have the right of way over right turning vehicles. As you can see here in the video, I was trying to make a left-hand turn tonight, and the woman who was turning right insisted that I go before her and waved me on. And finally, I got tired of waiting for her and finally went. But it does annoy me, and I suspect other veteran drivers as well, when the other person has the right of way and you're waiting for them to proceed and they don't, and they're waving you on. As well, in the video here, this was mentioned over on the Mastermind group on Facebook, and if you haven't joined that already, be sure to head over there and join up for that. The two-way stop at a major road, and oftentimes when you come up to a major road from a minor road, it's going to be controlled either with a yield sign or it's going to be controlled with a stop sign. In this case, it was a stop sign, and the person turning left did not know that the straight through vehicle had the right of way over the turning vehicle, and I think what had happened is the driver confused the intersection as a four-way stop and was thinking that the rules for four-way stops applied, which are different than a two-way stop intersection. At a two-way stop intersection, straight through traffic has the right of way over turning traffic. At a four-way stop, it's the first person to arrive or the person on the right. And again, straight through traffic has the right of way over turning traffic if you both show up at the same time. And remember, the right of way is always given. It is never taken. So if somebody else is insisting they're going to go first, just let them go and go and have their crash somewhere else. Question for my smart drivers. Have you ever been confused at an intersection and let the other person go because you didn't know who had the right of way? Leave a comment down in the comment section there. All of that helps out the new drivers working towards their license and veteran drivers working towards being crash free. If you like what you see here, share, subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section. As well, hit that thumbs up button. For new drivers working towards a license, head over to the Smart Drive Test website and get the course Pass Your Road Test First Time. It's a course for new drivers that guarantees that you will pass first time and not fail, because you don't want to fail your road test. You don't want to show up to school the next day and have to tell your friends that you weren't successful. So head over there, get that course. Look down in the description there. You'll get a 30% off coupon off the price of the course and be successful on your course first time, because we all know failing a road test is a real drag. I'm Rick with Smart Drive Test. Thanks very much for watching. Good luck on your road test. And remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great night. Bye now.
$1.
Holy!
Hey, you're going to